Okay, good. Okay. Alright. Oh, really? This toilet complex. Interesting. It's very cool. Yes. We do explore exactly. And the gate's right here. Yeah. You notice I didn't see. Wow. Look how close we are to the yeah. Right, yeah. Look at like real explorers, huh?
Hi, buddy.
Yes, we can't go down at all. Yeah. This is where we are, right?
Yes, that is
So if we did jump over here, we would have reached right by the step here.
Yeah.
Oh, just have a look out. Oh, this is still so nice though.
They probably want to make one here, but they had one here, look. That's what I was wrong.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Imagine like we're so close to the door, it's really right across the road. It's all right there.
If I will fall out here,
Right?
so we'll drink it.
Oh.
So, listen. We spoke about the good old days.
You see? Exactly. So it's not. But you know, I seen it have like steps. Is the other side have steps?
Yeah, the other side of this.
Oh, and here.
But the bar off here, they make it block it off.
Yeah, oh
Since
sure.
we had that side before, even if it was open,
It would have been perfect. And our hotel really just right there. Yeah, let's walk down and see. It have a big gate right there. So maybe we'll be able to walk this way. Yeah.
I'm just joking, I would never do that. I can't do that.
What's that?
It's your fault.
Oh.
Show you under the bus. Joke and say that to
Well, that's good. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes, we trust in God and it feels safe. If I felt like that's why we didn't go through the street by the hotel because I felt at that time going through a little street. But it's walking. Yes. I don't think so. I feel very safe. Exactly. That is so true. Oh, is he? Do you have his own talk show?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know who he is. He's I like him. Hey, Chandler, I can't believe you watching here. I can't believe we actually do this by ourselves. And I didn't realize there's a lingam here now. And a nandi.
All of our looking for.
Yeah.
Shiva. He he's always be wise.
So maybe we're supposed to walk. We're supposed to walk.
That is the 11th incarnation of Lord Shiva.
Yeah.
Byron is one of the first folk.
Yes.
Ready for it to come and cut Brahma head off.
Right.
He had to roam with that skull. And the skull, he used it as a begging bowl. Yeah. You know what? I don't know why people will say, so you like form you as a beggar? So if I own this universe, what can you offer me that is not already mine? The only thing we can offer God that is not directly from Him is our love. Flowers, the water, the fruits, everything, the mantras, they are all His, He wrote them.
True.
But the only thing that is self-given is your love for God. So how do you do that?
Yeah, true.
There's plenty I don't like to say. I am not upon it, but there are things that I know from somewhere that I can't explain.
That's why I like Uncle too. We have any conversations.
Yes,
you like him, huh? I like him too.
And I don't need to know about
Yeah, you could really go down and
about
you're nice
books
and I like it.
See,
Yeah.
this had to be the way it had to be.
Yes. A once in a lifetime thing. We ride by the Ganges and we see in the sun. Oh boy. Listen.
She said Ravan, but she didn't say Ram. So she was like, oh, he's going to call my mother. So when I listened, the subtitles we were the disciples in this.
Safely, yes. But by the time we reach there, everybody now walking down there. And they had to have breakfast first?
Yeah.
Right, so.
And I can skip breakfast.
I could skip breakfast. I had no problem with that.
I'll just go and buy a juice or something.
And you're good with that?
I don't worry. I don't worry about
I'm not
anything no more.
worried. I'm not worried.
My days for that behind
I'm not
me.
worried.
The rest of my life is to help as much people, and Lord has said, as much people as I could for as long as I could. In any way that you tell me,
I love that.
that's all I want.
Very nice way to put it. Right?
You ready?
Yeah.
When you go back by the lingam, you see how you have a pot thing over the lingam,
Yeah.
and the water just continues on the lingam. I'm ready. Cast building room.
Oh.
Was for us.
It really was fast. I just got excited. We go in.
I was on CSS at 5, right?
Oh God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We still got a nice experience.
That's awesome.
You see over here? These are next spot that you could.
Yes.
At least we know. Syria. Yeah. That walk wasn't bad. It was good. It was a good walk.
We're making good timing.
Yeah, we're making real good timing. And this pathway very safe. Yeah. I'm so happy.
We create our own
I'm
little
so
thing this
happy.
morning.
Yes, look at us. We were right there.
I'm happy that we did come.
Me too. I am so happy that we did that.
I wouldn't misstep on it.
Yeah. You have to be careful.
Out here. All we need to do is get across this plane right here.
Nice. It's beautiful, eh? The entrance with Shiva and stuff. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
It's gorgeous, huh?
Yes. You see?
Yeah.
We live. Okay, let me go back so and then.
Yes.
So we're gonna cross all the
Okay, yeah. A smaller, a shorter, yeah. Okay. Press now. So to
Come, come, come.
We're good. Nice. Yeah, no worries.
When you walk with God in front, you're behind. That's your armor. All these scriptures in the Mahabharata. Arjuna was the chariot, the archer.
Right.
Krishna was the chariot driver. Hanuman was on top. How you can beat him?
Yeah. True.
Hanuman is the 11th incarnation of the boss.
They can't stop it. Oh gosh, look how close we are. Yeah.
Morning devotion. Wake up.
Big exercise, morning devotion.
Get some calories.
Sounding good. Like, but watch that. This was truly. We had right fun today.
Really nice.
This was really nice.
Sorry, we just before, but let us see.
It's supposed to be this way. You probably very excited to live in Varanasi because in Varanasi you will see a lot of Shiva devotees and things. Yes. Hey, that was real nice. Oh, really? Serious? How doing? Oh, all you got to bed or just for the walk? Boy, that was so nice. Sorry. I don't want no bread. I'm not looking too cute. I'm not wearing any makeup, but we live in this hotel and heading to the other one. Well, a very long journey. Let me see it. Wow.